Hey there, food lovers. Picture this, tiny, creamy cheesecake bites that are so lusciously smooth and packed with tangy sweetness, you'll wonder how something this decadent requires no baking at all. These little gems are about to become your go-to treat for effortless indulgence. Welcome to today's recipe for the best no-bake cheesecake bites. They are quick, easy, and impressively delicious, making them ideal for busy families or last-minute gatherings. What makes this recipe special is how it delivers that classic cheesecake creaminess without any oven time, saving you effort while still feeling like a gourmet treat. You'll need just a few simple ingredients to create something comforting and satisfying. Let's dive into the full ingredient list. 1 cup graham cracker crumbs for the base, 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted to bind it, 8-ounce cream cheese softened for that ultra-smooth texture, 1/2 cup powdered sugar to sweeten it perfectly, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for a warm, aromatic flavor, 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream to add lightness and fluff, and optionally, 1/2 cup fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries for a fresh topping. This recipe serves 12 bites and takes about 15 minutes of prep plus 2 hours of chilling. Let's get started. First, grab your graham cracker crumbs and melted butter, mix them together in a bowl until they form a sandy, crumbly mixture that holds together when pressed, releasing a buttery aroma that hints at the base's crispiness. Next, in a separate bowl, soften your cream cheese by letting it sit at room temperature or giving it a quick microwave zap, then add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, beating them until the mixture turns into a fluffy, lump-free cream with a sweet, vanilla-scented fragrance. While that's blending, whip the heavy whipping cream in another bowl until it forms soft peaks, which will add that airy, cloud-like texture to your cheesecake filling. Now, for the fun part, line a muffin tin with silicone liners or paper cups to keep things neat and easy to remove later. Measure everything precisely: 1 cup of crumbs, 1/4 cup of melted butter to ensure the perfect balance of flavors and textures. As you prep, you'll notice the cream cheese mixture becoming irresistibly smooth and glossy, building excitement for the assembly. Even though we are not using an oven, let's treat this like our main mixing phase. Start by pressing the graham cracker mixture firmly into the bottom of your lined muffin tin, creating a solid base that's about 1/4 inch thick. This will give you that satisfying crunch without any heat. Then, in a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese mixture with the whipped cream, folding them together gently with a spatula until everything is evenly incorporated and the filling reaches a thick, pourable consistency. Aim for no lumps, which usually takes about 2 minutes of mixing at room temperature. Keep an eye on the texture. It should be silky and hold its shape slightly when you lift the spoon. For visual cues, look for a glossy sheen and a volume increase from the whipped cream, signaling it's ready for the next step. This no-heat method keeps things fresh and prevents any curdling, making it foolproof for home cooks. Remember, exact measurements are key here to avoid a runny or overly firm result. Now, for building those layers of flavor, spoon the creamy filling evenly over the graham cracker bases in the muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full so they have room to set without overflowing. Pop the tin into the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This low-tech cooking step allows the flavors to meld and the texture to firm up beautifully. While that's chilling, prepare your optional toppings like fresh berries, washing and slicing them for a burst of juicy contrast. Pro tip: for a variation, swap in chocolate chips or a fruit puree swirl for added excitement, making this recipe endlessly customizable. As it sets, the filling will transform from loose to perfectly firm yet creamy, with the vanilla notes intensifying for a moreish finish. Keep the fridge at around 40 degrees Fahrenheit 4 degrees Celsius for optimal chilling, and you'll end up with bites that have a delightful contrast between the crisp base and the soft center. Once chilled, remove the tin from the fridge and carefully pop out the cheesecake bites, which should now have a firm exterior with a jiggly, creamy interior that's ready for the final touches. Garnish each bite with fresh berries on top, pressing them gently so they adhere, and add a pop of color and tartness. For an extra flourish, dust with a light sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a drizzle of melted chocolate to enhance the visual appeal and aroma. The final product looks irresistibly glossy and inviting, with a smooth texture that promises pure bliss in every bite, and the fresh berry scent mingling with the vanilla cream. These little treats are now perfectly portioned for sharing, with that signature cheesecake tang balanced by the sweet base. All in all, it's a simple finish that elevates your dessert game without any fuss. Take a bite, and you'll experience an explosion of creamy, tangy goodness that coats your tongue with velvety smoothness, followed by the slight crunch of the graham base, and the burst of fresh berry juiciness. The flavors layer beautifully. The vanilla adds warmth, the sugar balances the cream cheese's tang, and the overall texture is luxuriously soft yet structured, making it feel indulgent without being heavy. What makes this special is how it captures classic cheesecake essence in a no-fuss format, perfect for pairing with coffee or as a light after-dinner treat. For variations, try adding lemon zest for a zesty twist, or storing them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days to keep that freshness. These bites are a game-changer for busy families, offering a homemade dessert that's both comforting and sophisticated. Trust me, once you taste one, you'll be hooked on how effortless yet flavorful they are. I can't wait for you to try these no-bake cheesecake bites and share your results in the comments below. Let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes every day, and stay tuned for tomorrow's easy dinner idea that's just as mouth-watering.